The South Korean president has warned of a second wave of the virus in his country. 34 new cases have been reported today. That's the highest daily number for a month. The small but growing outbreak largely emerged in an entertainment district of Seoul. It prompted the South Korean capital to temporarily close nightclubs and bars on Saturday. City officials have been tracking visitors to the area and urging them to self-isolate for 2 weeks. The president, Moon Jae-in, has urged the public to stay vigilant.
이번 유흥시설 집단감염은
The infection cluster which recently occurred in entertainment facilities has raised awareness that, even during the stabilization phase, similar situations can arise again anytime and anywhere in an enclosed, crowded space. It's not over until it's over. While keeping enhanced alertness till the end, we must never lower our guard regarding epidemic prevention.
Well, we can talk more about the situation in South Korea with our BBC Korea reporter in Seoul, Hyung-un Kim. And the president there saying we must never lower our guard, but it does seem that in this one district of Seoul, there has been a new wave of infections. Just tell us about that district and what is thought to have happened there.
Sure. The district is called Itaewon. It's very close to where I live, and it's at the center of Seoul. It's a very popular entertainment area, and one of the recent confirmed COVID-19 cases turned out to be a man who went to several clubs in the area, and health authorities believe that there are known to be more than 1,500 people, up to 2,000 people who were at those clubs in those hours. So I've been getting these alerts on my cell phones for very frequently, telling me that if I was in the area, if I was in the club, go and get tested. As we know, South Korea has been very rigorous in terms of testing and contact tracing. We know that the Seoul and health authorities have reached out to hundreds of people who are known to be at those clubs in those hours.
So the fear is that there could be a sort of second wave of infections, a second spike.
That is true. Actually, health authorities have only recently eased social distancing measures. It was on Wednesday that they've phased out these social distancing measures. The museums reopened, parks reopened, and sports stadiums have reopened as well. So people are really upbeat and uplifted. And we've had several zero case days as well, and on many days the cases were in single digits, and many of the cases were imported or those related to overseas travel. But this man in his 20s who went to these clubs, health authorities believe that he hasn't been overseas, and it's unclear where he contracted the virus.
Okay, thank you very much for that update. That's Hyung-un Kim there, our BBC Korea reporter, with the latest from Seoul.